Saturday morning, March 22nd. It's going to be a nice day today, somewhere around 78 degrees and sunny. A couple things on the agenda today. One is I'm going to try to tackle this artificial turf. Got to spray some Roundup down on the dirt and then put a weed barrier. And then we're going to try to pick up these 1,400-pound rolls with the skid steer and attempt to roll them out. But first, let's go check on the chickens. Hey ladies, come on down. Come on down. Come on. Come on, ladies. Hey, come on. Come on down. There you go. Hey ladies. What y'all doing, huh? We still got Flo still up in the cage. So yeah, we've got Hazel in the middle, and then you got Roxy on the right, and you got Alice in the back right there, and Flo is still up in the box. Hazel here. Hey Hazel. Hey Hazel. Hey, what y'all doing, huh? Yeah, they're such good girls. Such good girls. There they are. All right, I've been out here raking rocks with that rake, which is really heavy. But what I think is always cool is when you start digging around, especially in this caliche. Look at that, I found a shell in there. Cool. All right, so this is the first 30 by 7 strip. And let me tell you, 1,400 pounds. Manisha, is 1,400 pounds heavy?
Yeah.
This is all they call it infill. It ain't nothing but sand that's hidden all in this grass to make it weighed down. So we had to like dump a lot of this out just to be able to maneuver this thing. But we got one strip down. All right, cool. All right, so I got the turf yesterday. Now, one of the things that makes these so heavy, 1,400 pounds a roll, is what I was told, is all this black sand. They call it infill. All this sand is scattered in that tall turf to weigh it down. It makes it very, very, very heavy. But it does, it keeps it in place. So I had to dump most of it out just to be able to place this turf. And as you can see, that a lot of it last night, we had high winds last night, blew a lot of it up. So this is where I'm going to come in today and put turf down. I mean, put sand down. So I don't have to do this anymore. Anyway, that's on today's agenda.